Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you control the account and device. Open the exact settings page for authentication. Once there, look for security, passwords, or a dedicated passkeys section and tap it. If you use a browser, go to its passwords or autofill area. If a mobile OS, check authentication or accounts. Make sure you're signed in and have biometric or device access available. This prevents lockouts when you remove a primary passkey. Next, identify the exact passkey you intend to delete by matching the site, device name, or creation date. Once found, tap to view details and confirm it's the right one. Checking last used info avoids accidental removal of a current credential. Then authenticate with your fingerprint, face unlock, or device PIN when prompted. This verification step prevents unauthorized deletion and ensures you can re-add credentials if needed. So pause and confirm before proceeding. Finally, choose Delete or Remove and accept any confirmation prompt. You're permanently removing that passkey from the device or account. Once deleted, immediately test signing and using another method like a password or a different passkey to validate access. If you can't sign in, use a backup recovery option or an account recovery flow. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion breaks access, restore from a device backup or contact service support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.